If you build with open models, local AI, or generative video, NVIDIA just released something worth watching. The company has published Cosmos 3 Edge, a 4 billion parameter open world model designed to understand what is happening in a scene, predict what may happen next, and connect those predictions to physical actions. In plain language, this is not just another chatbot. Cosmos 3 Edge combines vision, language, video, audio, and action information so a robot or vision agent can reason about the physical world around it. NVIDIA says the model can run across its accelerated hardware family, including GeForce RTX cards and Jetson Edge computers. On Jetson Thor, the company reports real-time control at 15 Hz while producing 32 possible actions per inference. Those are NVIDIA's numbers, and real performance will depend heavily on the task and hardware. But the important part for independent builders is that the model, reference checkpoints, and training recipes are available to inspect and build on. NVIDIA also released distilled versions of its larger Cosmos 3 image-to-video and text-to-image models. The original models use 50 denoising steps. The distilled versions use 4. NVIDIA claims that can make inference up to 25 times faster, with little or no visible quality loss. That sounds fantastic, but here is the hardware reality check. Cosmos 3 Edge is a compact 4 billion parameter model. The generative Cosmos 3 super checkpoints are 64 billion parameter models. Open weights do not automatically mean laptop friendly, and they definitely do not guarantee a comfortable experience on a 12 GB graphics card. So before downloading anything enormous, check the model card, the precision, the quantized options, and actual community memory tests. The practical opportunity is still significant. Builders now have an open world model for physical AI, plus open recipes for making image and video generation faster. Even when the full model is too large for one machine, those recipes can influence smaller derivatives and future local workflows. Now for today's signal boost. Google has released Gemini 3.6 Flash and Gemini 3.5 Flash-Lite, and this release is aimed squarely at people building agents. Google says 3.6 Flash uses 17% fewer output tokens than 3.5 Flash on the Artificial Analysis Index. It also takes fewer reasoning steps and tool calls in multi-step workflows, and computer use is now available as a built-in tool through the Gemini API. The pricing is $1.50 per million input tokens and $7.50 per million output tokens. Flash-Lite drops that further to 30 cents for input and $2.50 for output. Those are hosted models, not local ones, but they reinforce an important change in the agent market. The useful comparison is no longer just which model has the highest benchmark score. It is how much the model costs to finish a real task, how many tool calls it wastes, and how often you have to repair its work. My takeaway is simple. For open models, verify the hardware before believing the word open means accessible. For hosted agents, measure the completed workflow instead of the price of one token. Which would you rather test first? An open world model on your own hardware, or a lower cost agent that can operate software for you? If these quick AI updates are useful, like the video and subscribe for more. I'll keep tracking what changes and why it matters.